Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, October the 31st, 2018. Well, happy Halloween to everybody, and we had maybe a little scary end to the markets today, but let's go ahead and take a look. And as you know, on the end of the week and the end of the month, I like to use the Thinkorswim platform to take a look at the chart. So here is that we have all of the days of October here on the left, and we have the month chart on the right so we can take a look at it. Well, let's go ahead and start with the Qs. And as you can see here, a volatile month, a lot of up and down, but you can see here, we did come down and touched the 20 and bounced up. So that would be a positive sign on the monthly. The good news today is we did gap up, but we did pull back about halfway. We are still underneath all major moving averages. We have the 20 here, the 200, the 65, and the 50. So you can see we are below all of them. We are above the 8 moving average. So that's how we look on the SPYs. And now and let me go ahead and bring this chart up real fast, and I'll try to go through both of them. And on the Qs, you can see here the volatile day and how we closed with a pullback on some pretty heavy volume. So as I said, that might be a little scary. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at the spiders. And we'll click on the spiders here too, and you can see here the volatility throughout the month. You can see here we did gap up, and let me move that down a little bit. We gapped up, we pulled back, come up, and then we had this pullback right at the end of the day. So we ended up with the doji candle. We closed about where we opened. So the bad news is that we gave the gains back from the day, so that's not real strong. And you can see we are below all of the major moving averages, but we are above the 8 still, so at least that is holding. On the monthly candle, you can see we have a little bit of a tail. We did bounce off that 20, so it's like we always talk about. We're going to just have to wait and see how things go into November. Now on the diamonds, you can see here we are closed right at the 200-day moving average. We almost made it back to the 20. Looking at the daily over on the 15-minute chart here, you can see the gap up, a little pullback, then up more, but then it sell off at the end of the day. And you can see here we did have a pretty good sized volume candle on the sell-off. So I'm not sure what that might mean, but once again, a little bit scary, and we'll have to see what happens here. And you can see we have the nice tail, bounced off that 20. So, I guess we are kind of at the point where things can go anyway in the future. So, there's a lot going on here now. IWM, which led the way down, we thought maybe was, rebounding pretty good, but they, once again had the gap up. And then the pullback, you can see here on the intraday here, the volatility. Look at the wicks on this. I mean, that is one ugly looking chart, only to come down and close right at lows. Look at that, resting right on that 8 moving average, well below all the others. On the monthly chart, it actually closed below the 20. So we are going to have to watch things real close and see how how they turn out for next tomorrow and next month, etc., etc. Now we'll go ahead and take a fast look at Holly, and once again, just to save some time, I'm just going to go directly to my Excel spreadsheet and show you the results. Holy Grail had 28 trades for a risk. Had 5 trades for a profit of 21 cents. Risk on loss of $1.44. Holly 2.0 had 7 trades, $1.09 profit. 258 was the risk on profit. Holly Neo had 14 trades, lost made $1.06, and a risk on profit $1.67. So for the day, 26 trades, 236 profit, 281 risk on profit. For the week, we are at 99 trades, $1.59 profit, $6.87 risk on profit. And once again, that would assume buying one or selling one share of each of her picks with no trading cost involved. Now let's go ahead and take a look and see where the month ended up, because on here I charted every day's trade. So Holy Grail had 275 trades, $7.90 profit, 1930 was the risk on profit. Holly 2.0 had 333 trades, $7.51 profit, 2813 was the risk on profit. Holly Neo had 344 trades, 723 was her profit, 1305 was the risk on profit. If you tally everything together for October, we had 608 trades, $22.64 was the profit, $60.48 was the risk on profit. Now, with all that, if you are interested in our software, I have a link here for you. You can go to it. I'll put that in the comments on the YouTube video. We have a standard plan and a premium plan. The premium plan, you get all our premium features, including Holly and the price alerts and all kind of good things. If you use the promo code Bullseye15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year of trade ideas. So we invite you to go ahead and give it a try. And if you want to follow me on my blog, you can do so at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. Do me a favor, go ahead, hit this thumbs up if you got anything at all out of this video. Maybe drop in a comment, maybe share it with some friends. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these videos. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.